Hi Roadies, this is David with Maya Road, and today I'm showing you how to make a bottle cap photo hanger. Let's go ahead and start with the first step. We're going to prep the spool. We're going to ink it with the Maya Road brown pigment ink so that it has a more vintage look to it. You don't need to ink every single surface of this. We're going to just kind of put it around and cover most of it, but not all of it. We're going to leave some of the wood raw. And once I finish doing that, I'm going to take one of the Maya Road Mister bottles that I've just put some water in, and I'm going to give it a couple sprays, and then I can kind of smudge the ink on the spool, and that really completes the vintage look that I'm going for. There we are. Alright, for the second step, we're going to get the bottle cap ready. This is a 3-inch outer diameter bottle cap. The inner diameter is approximately 2 3/4 inches. And I'm going to take the spool and I'm going to kind of see how far I need to punch the holes. I'm using a crocodile to punch the holes on the bottle cap, the 1/8 inch punch on it. And there I can see I need to do it about 4 of these little indentations across to get the same width as the spool. And as you can see, using the crocodile, it is very easy to punch those holes. Alright, we've got the holes punched now. Now we're going to go ahead and use the craft wire. I'm going to use about 8 inches of it. You can use more if you're going to do something like a door hanger. This I'm just going to be hanging near my desk, so I don't want the hanger too long. So I'm going to take approximately 8 inches. I'm going to thread it through the spool now and get the lengths on both sides approximately even. And then I'm just going to take a pencil and wrap the wire around the pencil on both sides, give 3 or 4 coils on each side so it kind of has a spring look to it. There we are. They don't have to be the exact same, just kind of similar. And now I'm going to go ahead and put those wires, both sides, through the holes I made on the bottle cap. And you can kind of determine how long you want the hanger to be. And then I'm going to use foam dots to stick the wires down and keep it the length that I want to keep it at. I'm also going to be filling the inside of the bottle cap with the foam dots to provide a base for the picture that I'm going to be using. So you just put a few of these in there. You don't need to cover every single inch of it. Put a couple more. And then, like I said, the inner diameter of this is about 2 3/4 inches. So I've already cut out a picture here, and you just line it up. I'm not going to be peeling off the adhesive here for this demonstration, but go ahead and just stick it on in there. And there you have your finished bottle cap. Now, one other thing you can do to enhance the look of this bottle cap that I did on the sample I originally made is I wound twine around the spool. On this example I didn't here, but it's very easy to do. I'll show you on another spool that I made previously. You'll just take some hot glue or craft glue. In this case I'll use a little bit of craft glue. And just put a little dot down to adhere the end to the spool. You'll hold it there for a couple seconds, and then you can go ahead and start winding. And you're just going to wind all the way across the body of the spool in one direction, and then you'll wind it back in the other direction. And when you finish up your winding, just make sure that you finish it on the same side that you started on, so that both of your unfinished ends can be put to the back. And when you're all done, you'll have a great photo hanger. You can hang it at your desk like I'm going to do. You can use it on gift bags, or you can even use it as a holiday decoration. Thanks a lot for stopping by.